Hi Fire TV fans, welcome to How to Install Zone. I'm Sarah, and today we're installing the latest Blokada APK, the free ad blocker for 2025 that zaps pop-ups and trackers on your Amazon Fire TV. It's Blokada 6, super easy to sideload, but note, ad blockers can affect app TOS, so use responsibly with a VPN. Let's do this in 1 minute. Step 1. From home, search Downloader in the Amazon App Store and install it. Step 2. Go to Settings, My Fire TV and Developer Options. Apps from unknown sources. Enable for Downloader. Step 3. Open Downloader. Enter the URL blokadaon.org and hit Go. Select the latest Blokada 6 APK for Android TV and download. Step 4. Install the APK, then open Blokada. Grant permissions, choose your block list, like EasyList, and enable it. Pro tip: connect Surfshark VPN first for full privacy. Ad-free streaming unlocked. Stay safe. See you next time.